Do you smoke a pipe? Do you have a friend or a relative that smokes a pipe? Here's a simple gift idea you can make in a matter of minutes, so let's get started. I'm going to start with a piece of veg tan leather. You can use whatever leather you find at any hobby or craft store. This is about 1 inch wide by about 8.5 inches long. We quickly round the ends with an end punch. Next, we'll drop in 2 holes near those ends. The spacing from the end depends upon the size of the button you plan to use, so you might want to check that first. Let's bevel those edges. It's all cleaned up and we're ready to move on. Let's hit this with a few stamps. Case the leather, and then just pick your stamps. I'm using these leaves to kind of match the motif. And here we go. The strap is all stamped up. Let's get this thing under dye. It's all dyed up, outside and in. We're going to take this up just a little bit. Only because I have some on hand, I'm going to apply some antique and then remove it. Slick all the edges, especially the inside or the flesh side of the strap. That's vitally important so that the dye does not transfer to the pipe. Next, we use a little wax and balm and we buff it to a nice sheen. This will be our basic loop shape. Lastly, we're going to set our snap. Again, using what I have on hand, I'm going to be applying this compass design opposite a standard silver snap. And that's it. Drop in your pipe and you're done. This makes a magnificent gift for a pipe smoker. A portable pipe stand that unsnaps and fits in a pocket or a pipe case. It doesn't get any easier than this. If this 2-minute tutorial gave you any ideas, how about you hit that like button? And if you're going to make this pipe stand, how about you subscribe and then drop me a comment down below and let me know how yours turned out. That's it. Thanks for watching, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.